I was just thinking about the first time I volunteered at the Christmas party about maybe 6, 7 years ago. I can't remember, but it was a long time ago. But the first time I volunteered for the Christmas party, I was in awe of all the toys. There were so many toys. And you remember, it used to take us days. We spent days, didn't we, putting them all in the bags. And I thought, there's way too many toys here. We're not going to get that many kids. But I was so wrong. And every year since, we've had over 1,000 children who turn up. 1,000 children. I mean, it's so sad to think that there's so many children in this world in need, but there really are. There truly are. And over 1,000 children turn up every Christmas. And not just from Mamaroneck, from other communities in the area too. I'm sure they're not all from Mamaroneck. They can't be. They're all from outside the community too. Most of them. New Rochelle, Portchester, White Plains. Yeah.
All of Westchester.
Everywhere. But anyway, that's right. But what I wanted to say was that truly the best part for me, and it still is seeing the look of pleasure on the children's face when they receive their bag of toys.
Yep.
They're so happy. They really are. And truly grateful to Dr. Maloney. They all say thank you. And they really do all go away with a big smile on their faces. And that's the best part of the evening. And it's such a wonderful thing to do. But in order for all those toys to keep coming, we do need donations. So, like Nancy said, if you can find it in your heart to buy a toy and drop it off at the office, we will be truly grateful, and you will be making a child very happy. You'll be part of that. So that's a wonderful thing to be part of that. I know that I love volunteering at the Christmas party, and I will continue to volunteer as much as long as I can, because it really is a very nice thing what Dr. Maloney does. Right, Samir?
Yes.
You volunteered at the Christmas party many times too, right?
Yes. I always there when he want us to take care of things and go get things and have it ready for the Christmas party. And we just jump and do it because we love Dr. Maloney very much so. He's good to us and he's good to everybody who walks from that door here. And he takes care of them 100%. And he sent them to the right specialist, and many people I heard from, they were very, very happy from what he did for them. So that's why he wants all the kids, and I hear the voice of Nancy coming up from behind.
On my way to where the air is sweet. Can you tell me how to get to Sesame Street?
Well, I have to back up Samir, and because until previously this year, I was on the other side receiving the toys. I was on the other side going with my son to get the toys. And I remember one year going into Dr. Maloney's place and said, wow, this is actually like Santa's workshop. And having elves working, and it was a great experience. And also, we were saying about Dr. Maloney, but we also want people to know that Nancy is also a great worker, and she backs us up in everything, and she's actually Dr. Maloney's right-hand man. And without our woman, without her, I've seen her work behind the scenes, so I know how much volunteer she does and how much she does putting into this. And we have our moments, but Nancy, we all love you, and I know how much work you put into this, so
Thank you.
I have to pay you.
Mona, that was really kind of you. Oh, you're embarrassing me, all of you. I don't do it for no, I haven't lost my voice. I don't do it for anything that just happened here. I do it because, for many reasons. Gratitude to Dr. Maloney for health care over the years, for his great taking care of my family and me. He truly is, and it's my way of giving back to him under the carpet, I suppose. But it's a pleasure for me to do. Anyone who volunteers knows that when you give, you're getting it back 1,000-fold. And it's the same thing with the Christmas party. Just to see the smile on a child's face and knowing that you had a part in that is just incredible. And if you're interested in donating a toy, just know that for the little time that you spent choosing the toy and the amount of money you put into it. You're giving back to the world in thousands by making a child happy. And as I said, a lot of times these children would not have received anything else if it wasn't for Dr. Maloney's toy giveaway. And we appreciate it as the volunteers, the children appreciate it as the recipients, and Dr. Maloney appreciates it, allowing him to do it in such a magnitude of people, of the number of children each year. And it just warms his heart and fulfills his dreams of taking care of people. And we appreciate it and rely on you, so please do help us out. Deb, a little more?
Okay, well, like Nancy said, I'm a volunteer as well, and like everyone else here, I'm really happy to volunteer my time every Friday night because Dr. Maloney is such a wonderful doctor, and he's helped my family in so many ways. So it's my way to give back and say thank you. So for me, it really is a pleasure giving up my Friday nights and being there to help at St. Rita's Free Medical Clinic. It's a wonderful service. And also at the Christmas party too. It's a pleasure for me to help at the Christmas party too. So I just wanted to remind you about St. Rita's Free Medical Clinic. We're there every Friday night. You'll see me, you'll see Samir, Nancy and Ramona. And we start registration at 5 o'clock till 6. And we're at St. John's Church, Lutheran Church, on the corner of Fenimore and Cortland Avenue in Mamaroneck. So come along if there's anything you need, anything at all, blood work, physical care, if you're sick, or if your children just need vaccinations, everything is free of charge and we'll be more than happy to take care of you. Especially Dr. Maloney, who is a wonderful, wonderful doctor. Right, Samir?
Right on. What you heard from everyone here is the truth, is 100% the truth. And the story Ramona told us about her son when he went to Dr. Maloney, she didn't have any gift for Christmas to put under the tree, and she was really delivered and gave everything for her, and the kid was happy. I was very impressed with that story. And Dr. Maloney have many, many other stories like that. Yeah. But this volunteer here is right here. I can touch her. She's telling the truth, and this is wonderful. And the doctor is the best. Yeah, we know that. And every volunteer loves him and does everything for free, no charge of any kind. Anything you want, Doc, you got it. God bless you, and good night. We see you next week.
All right.
This is Nancy Finelli, your roving reporter for St. Rita's Free Medical Clinic. We hope you enjoyed this episode. And please remember that there's a free medical service for you, the general public. If anytime you're in need, Friday evenings, 5 to 6 registration at St. John's Lutheran Church on Fenimore and Cortland in Mamaroneck. Wonderful view of the harbor. Again, I wanted to thank Reverend Hank for giving us the space and the resources to do this. And Reverend Hank, it's a kindness of your church and your community and you that allows us to continue this year and every year. And thank you very much for that. I also wanted to thank the volunteers who show up every week without fail. Have put aside the time to help out at the clinic. As I said, there's many behind-the-scenes things that need to be done to help Dr. Maloney walk in and take care of patients as he does. Everyone who shows up is treated and cared for, and please use the service. Again, it's Friday evenings, 5 to 6 registration, St. John's Lutheran Church on the corner of Fenimore Road and Cortland Avenue in Mamaroneck. Please use it. And once again, I have to ask for donations. Any amount you can give is greatly appreciated. Tax deductible. Checks can be made payable to St. Rita's Free Medical Clinic and mailed to Dr. Maloney's office at 144 East Boston Post Road in Mamaroneck, 10543. New toys can be dropped off at the same address any time of the year. We collect them. And again, it's your heart, your kindness that allows us to make many children happy each year. So once again, Nancy Finelli, your roving reporter for St. Rita's Free Medical Clinic. Enjoy the day, enjoy the night, and God bless. What would you like me to sing?
Requests?
Yes, we have any requests? Something I know?
No. Dr. Maloney, you are my sunshine.
You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make us happy when skies are gray. We'll never know, dear, how much we love you. Please don't take our sunshine away. Good night from St. Rita's.
I wonder what Dr. Maloney's going to say about that one.
He's gonna. Hello, everyone. This is Samir again.
Wait.
And I have to say this. We have the clinic every Friday night, and I want you people to come in. And the majority of everybody coming in at 5 o'clock to 6 for registration, the majority of them have no insurance, and they are welcome to come in. We give them the registration. We give them the names, what they need. If they have any papers from the school, they get the injections and all the blood waiting there for them to be taken care of. Unless it's special, then they have to wait for Dr. Maloney to come in. Please come in and relax, and we all friendly, and we all love you to come in. We take care of you. It shouldn't be any problem. And it's a beautiful clinic. St. Rita's Free Medical Clinic is the best ever, I would say, in Westchester, in the whole Westchester community. I hear people cannot wait. And they ask me, Samir, when is the clinic? I said, okay, it's on 5 o'clock to 6. Come in, and you see smiling faces, beautiful women there, and everything will be taken care of. Don't hesitate at all. Come in, and you see, you'll be surprised. You'll be full of everything. No problem. You need the medicine? We got it. You need pills? He will give it to you. You need the examination? He'll check your heart, your brain, and everything. You'll be in good shape. Take my word for it. Okay? God bless you, and we're looking forward to seeing you. Don't forget, 5 to 6 registration. And I'm going to give you my friend over here, and she's going to tell you more about it.
Okay, thank you, Samir. Hello, my name's Debbie. I'm also a volunteer at St. Rita's Free Medical Clinic. And like Samir said, it really is a wonderful service. Dr. Maloney is a wonderful doctor. We're every Friday night, we're at St. John's Church, Lutheran Church, on the corner of Fenimore and Cortland Avenue in Mamaroneck. And all medical care is provided free of charge. Whatever you need, services include physical examinations, vaccinations if your children need them for school, blood tests, whatever you need, Dr. Maloney will take care of you. He's a wonderful doctor, and he's been doing this for many years. And it's his way of giving back to the community, and he really does. He's been doing it for so many years, and like I said, everything is free of charge. There's no monetary fees, nothing. So if you need health care, if you need to be taken care of, please feel free to come to St. Rita's Free Medical Clinic every Friday night. I'll be there, so will Samir, Nancy, and Ramona, and we're all there to help Dr. Maloney, and we're happy to help. We're happy to volunteer. Everyone should have health care, and that's what Dr. Maloney is striving to do. He thrives to make sure that everyone has the necessary health care they need. So please take advantage of this service. Every Friday night at 5 o'clock, we look forward to seeing you. I'm going to pass you on now to Nancy. She's got some more to say about that.
Hello once again. You've been hearing about St. Rita's Free Medical Clinic for many years. Dr. Maloney has been doing this for well over 25 years. Started when he started his practice in Westchester, and it was his way of immediately giving back to the community for the wonderful reception he got when he set up his practice. Dr. Maloney loves to help people. He truly lives the Hippocratic oath of taking care of his patients, and he wants everyone who needs to be taken care of, who needs medical care, to come and utilize the service. There is no other clinic in the area like it. Nothing is ever charged. There is no fee for anything. It's a totally free medical clinic. And for those of you who have used it, you know how wonderful it is. For those of you who haven't, please try us out. Friday evenings, 5 to 6 registration, St. John's Lutheran Church on the corner of Fenimore Road and Cortlandt Avenue in Mamaroneck. Dr. Maloney will be there to take care of you. Anything you need medically is definitely addressed and taken care of. And we want you to please come and use the service. It's been around for many years, and unfortunately, we've had to move from different churches, as unfortunately in this era, many churches have closed, and we've had to go the way they went and leave. But Reverend Hank at St. John's has opened his arms for us, and here we are in his church, and his parishioners embrace us, we embrace them, and thank them for giving us this opportunity to serve you, the community. Please come and have yourselves taken care of. Nothing is more important than health care for yourself. Dr. Maloney had a plan way before Obamacare was ever even a dream. Okay, and his dream is to take care of everyone. Everyone should have health care. No one should be not denied access to taking care of their health. And Dr. Maloney's been doing this for years and years and years now. And he wants you to come. We all want you to come. This is why we volunteer, to take care of you. So if you have any health needs at all, physical exams, forms for school, for jobs, whatever it is, please come and utilize the service. Again, it's, one more time I'll say it, make sure you know where it is. 5 to 6 p.m. registration, Friday evenings at St. John's Lutheran Church, corner of Fenimore Road and Cortlandt Avenue in Mamaroneck. If you have any questions about volunteering or donations, you can call Dr. Maloney's office between after 7 p.m. I'm glad to answer any calls you have, any questions you have. My name is Nancy, and the number is 914-381-2091. Donations can be sent to the office, made out to St. Rita's Free Medical Clinic. They are tax deductible, so any donation you can send is greatly appreciated, no matter how small. It makes a difference in our budget as far as getting supplies and needed accessories for the clinic. New toys are appreciated and accepted year-round for the annual Christmas party, where Dr. Maloney gives out gifts to thousands of children. And when I say gifts, I mean gifts to each and every child. No one is ever turned away. I have to agree with Debbie that I was truly amazed the first time I volunteered for the Christmas party, and it looked like Santa's workshop in the making for the entire world. There were many, many, many toys there, but there were also many, 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 many children there, and no child went away without a gift, and has never, ever yet. So we need your support. We need your help. We give out every toy to every child. So we need the support year-round, and we do appreciate everything you've done for us. Please continue to do so, and keep St. Rita's the wonderful clinic it is by utilizing the service, by helping us out in any way you can. Always appreciate it. And again, a little background. St. Rita's is a free medical clinic started by Dr. Kevin Maloney well over 25 years ago. It has been, Debbie has the pamphlet here regarding it. It's an absolutely free service provided to the community. Dr. Maloney truly believes in his heart that he is here to take care of people, and he does. And everyone appreciates it. It has been ongoing for over 25 years, and totally run by volunteers. No one is paid for their services. Dr. Maloney does not receive any fee for his services. No questions are asked whether or not you have insurance, whether or not you have money. There is no question asked because we don't charge anything at all. Nothing is fee-based. So please come use the service. Whatever you need will be taken care of. And again, we appreciate everyone who's helped us out, and we do appreciate the patients who have come and used the service. So please spread the word of mouth that there's something here to help people in need, and we're here to do it, and we extract great rewards from volunteering and helping, and we want to help you, so please come and use the service. And also, again, please be aware that he also does this wonderful Christmas party for children in need. It's kind of been renowned now. Everyone in the area knows about it. Look forward to the date each December. And I'm going to remind everyone that at many times and in many cases with the children who attend, there would not be Christmases in their home if it were not for this service. Dr. Maloney provides new gifts to each and every child, bags full of them. Nobody goes away empty-handed. And to do this again, we rely on the support of you, the community. We do need new toy donations. They can be dropped off year-round. If you have a club or an organization who does a toy drive, we can arrange to have things picked up. And we do appreciate your support. So continue to support us, continue to use the service. And I'm handing you over to Ramona.
Well, I have to back Nancy up because there are many years if it wasn't for Dr. Maloney, I wouldn't have had toys under the Christmas tree for my kids. So I've been on the other side where I was here for many years collecting toys for my kids. So please, you are making a difference when you volunteer. You are making a difference when you do bring toys, because there are a lot of kids out there that cannot afford to have toys under their Christmas tree at Christmas time, and if it wasn't for Dr. Maloney's service, this would not have been possible. Not only is this service is the best in Westchester, it's the only in Westchester that we are providing free medical care for people that does not have insurance. And like I said again, there's a lot of people out there that you may not know that don't have insurance. A lot of these kids cannot go to school because they cannot be vaccinated, and it's the law to be vaccinated. And we're offering the service to people that, are less unfortunate, that cannot do all this. So please, if you can donate to us and if you can help us out for both sides of the fence for people, that are less fortunate, and a lot of kids that needs to go to school and have an education and be vaccinated. So, the service is very, very, very important, and we want to thank you very much.
Samir, you got more?
Well, everything has been said here is the truth. And I have to really say I don't have any small kids to bring to Dr. Maloney to get the gifts free, to get everything. But I treated myself as a little kid myself. I come to Dr. Maloney all the time. And he gives me everything I need. I tell you, this is fantastic, And the Christmas, when Christmas comes, everybody's eyes open and people asking, Samir, when is the gift is going to be coming? I said, you start and the Holy Trinity come down to the office and say, Merry Christmas to Dr. Maloney, and the gifts are carrying in your hand. You make him happy, you make your children happy, and everybody is wonderful. And they're all there to serve you. Even Nancy and all the girls, all the volunteers, or Debbie, or Ramona, they go and get you the gift. You want more? Oh, I have one more. Okay, we get you some more. This way, don't cry. Everything is going to be okay. And wonderful things. There's no doubt about it. Please, if you have anything good in your heart, you bring the gifts here to be given to the kids. Anytime you go shopping and you see something good, bring it to 144 East, Boston Post Road, and give it to Nancy, and that will be given to the kids at the Christmas party. I have to say to you, God bless you, and we have all the volunteers, and we need more. And if anybody like to come, just call Nancy on 381-2091 and tell her I'm ready to be volunteer, and she'll tell you where to go. Thank you very much. You're the best I ever spoken to.
Is that for me? Or?
That's me.
All right. Okay, I just wanted to reiterate what Samir said. The Christmas party is such a wonderful thing that Dr. Maloney does every year. The first time I volunteered for the Christmas party, I was so amazed at the number of toys there were. Samir and I, it took us ages to put everything in black bags. But there were so many, but we really needed that many toys because every year more than 1,000 children turn up. And they're not children from Mamaroneck, but they're children in need from surrounding communities. And every year they turn up and they're given a bag full of toys, and every one of them goes away with such a happy face. So it really is a wonderful, wonderful service that Dr. Maloney provides every Christmas. And as if it's to be continued, which we hope it is, we need your help. You know, we need your help to provide all those toys because there's so many children who come every year. So we need the toys to keep coming. So please, if you're in a toy shop and you see a toy that you think someone might like, please buy it and donate it to the clinic because you really will be doing something wonderful. You will be part of the service of making those children happy. And there's so many children in need in the community, and just being part of that and putting a smile on a child's face, I think is a wonderful thing to do. So please drop off any donations you may have here at the clinic, Dr. Maloney's clinic, or if you're unable to get to the clinic, let us know and we'll be happy to come to your house and pick them up for you. We'll be more than happy to do that. So thank you so much for keeping the donations coming, and just know that, you know, whenever you donate a toy, you're making one child very, very happy by giving them a wonderful Christmas that they deserve. Okay? I'll put you on to Nancy now.
You know, like everything else in life, things can't be done alone. And this is proof in the pudding. We have these volunteers here. They're volunteering their time to make these films as well as volunteering at the clinic. And it's just something that you do in life. You give. Whatever you give comes back and rewards thousands of times over. And we do this because we want to help people. And you can help us with your donations of money and toys. And you can help us by spreading the word that St. Rita's Free Medical Clinic exists, that anyone can come, that we are open to everyone. It's not just Mamaroneck community, it's everyone everywhere. The children of Mamaroneck do benefit at Christmas time. Many of them are from Mamaroneck, but many of them are from the surrounding areas as well. As economic times become harder and harder, there are more and more children each year. Word of mouth spreads, and we do get tons of children each year. We do this because we are fortunate to have a wonderful community who responds to these films, as goofy as they are, as embarrassing as they are for us to produce. We do know that they do have an effect on the community, and we do get great toys and donations from you. And we would like you to continue to support us in that way. But more than anything else, and as Dr. Maloney's goal and wish is to have people come to the clinic. And we'd like you to please tell anyone you know in need that service is there, that Dr. Maloney is here to give free medical care to anyone who needs it, anyone from anywhere, no questions asked. And that he does have this super duper Christmas party where children receive toys in abundance, and it all through the goodness of Dr. Maloney's heart. And we would like you all to be aware of that and to help us to spread the word that these services are available and to help us out in any way you can. I know we've been doing this for years. I know you're probably tired of hearing it, but we do get a great response from you, and we do appreciate everything you've done over the years, and would like you to continue to do so. So please keep us in mind. Your donations are tax deductible, and we do appreciate every toy that comes into this office for these children. So keep up the good work. We'll try to do our part to keep up the good work, and thank you for sharing with us in the silliness of St. Rita's Free Medical Clinic films. But we do them for a purpose, and it's our volunteer way of saying, please help us out. Please make this service well known. And thank you for supporting us for everything you've done for us over the years. So with that, I wish you all good evening, and thank you for watching, and thank you for helping us. And please spread the word that the clinic is here. Debbie's got the flyer.
There's a flyer.
And
St. Rita's Free Medical Clinic. See you there on Friday
And-
between 5 and 6.
once again, St. Rita's Free Medical Clinic, registration between 5 and 6, St. John's Lutheran Church on the corner of Fenimore Road and Cortlandt Avenue in Mamaroneck, Friday evenings from 5 to 6. If you have any questions at all about the clinic, you can call Dr. Maloney's office, 914-381-2091. We ask that you limit the calls to after 7 p.m. so that we can take care of the patients who are here during the day. And any questions you may have, please call. I'll be glad to answer any questions. Volunteers can also call that number and respond that they would like to volunteer. Be glad to tell you what to do. No experience is necessary to become a volunteer. Do not have to have a medical background. There's many behind the scenes things that need to be done, such as registering patients. Translators are always needed for Spanish to English and English to Spanish. Whatever you can do to help us out is always greatly appreciated. And again, donations of money and toys. And again, please just inform anyone you know who needs medical care that this service is here and for them. With that, I bid you adieu. Nancy Finella, your roving reporter for St. Rita's Free Medical Clinic. Have a great night. And God bless.
Thank you. Bye.